Hi, my name is Monica Rey and I'm Senior Associate at TPS. In this video, I'd like to introduce the comparable uncontrolled price method for the analysis of a related party transaction. The CAP method compares the price charged for property or services transferred in a controlled transaction to the price charged for property or services transferred in a comparable uncontrolled transaction in comparable circumstances. If there is any difference between the two prices, this may indicate that the conditions of the commercial and financial relations of the associated enterprises are not arm's length, and that the price in the uncontrolled transaction may need to be substituted for the price in the controlled transaction. An uncontrolled transaction is comparable to a controlled transaction if one of the two conditions is met. No one of the difference, if any, between the transactions being compared or between the enterprises undertaking those transactions could materially affect the price in the open market, or reasonably accurate adjustments can be made to eliminate the material effects of such differences. Where it's possible to locate comparable uncontrolled transactions, the CAP method is the most direct and reliable way to apply the arm's length principle. It may be difficult to find a transaction between independent enterprises that is similar enough to a controlled transaction such that no difference have material effect on price. For example, a minor difference in the property transfer in the controlled and uncontrolled transactions could materially affect the price, even though the nature of the business activities undertaken may be similar enough to generate the same overall profit margin. When this is the case, some adjustments will be appropriate. In considering whether controlled and uncontrolled transactions are comparable, the effect on price of broader business function other than just product comparability should be taken into account, which, as you know, are the comparability factors we covered in previous information fields. Where there are some differences between the controlled and uncontrolled transactions or between the enterprises undertaking those transactions, it may be difficult to determine reasonably accurate adjustments to eliminate the effect on price. The difficulties that arise in attempting to make reasonably accurate adjustments should not routinely preclude the possible application of the CAP method. Practical considerations dictate a more flexible approach to enable the CAP method to be used and to be supplemented as necessary by other appropriate methods, all of which should be evaluated according to their relative accuracy. Every effort should be made to adjust the data so that it may be used appropriately in a CAP method. As for any method, the relative reliability of the CAP method is affected by the degree of accuracy with which adjustments can be made to achieve comparability. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos like this one, click to subscribe to our channel. See you next time!